Today we're going to be making this keto-friendly, low-carb chicken, tomato, and spinach one-pan meal. So let's get cooking. Okay, to make our one-pan keto-friendly, low-carb chicken, tomato, and spinach skillet, these are the ingredients that we're going to use. We're going to use the juice of half of a lemon. We're going to use 2 minced garlic cloves, a cup of heavy cream, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a cup of chicken stock, and about a pint of fresh tomatoes, and about 4 cups of fresh spinach, as well as our chicken. And you can use chicken cutlets, or you can do as I did, just take fresh chicken breasts and slice them in 2. And we're going to start by seasoning our cutlets well with salt and pepper. When we get them in the pan, we'll season the other side as well. So we have our pan on medium-high heat. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use whatever oil you prefer. And we'll switch that around. Then we're going to add our chicken cutlets. And we want to let this cook for about 6 minutes on each side, depending on how thick your chicken is. You want it to be brown and completely cooked through so that your juices run clear. Okay, so now we're just flipping our cutlets over. We've got a nice brown on them, and we're going to season this side with some salt and pepper. I'm enjoying these salt and pepper shakers. You just put granulated sea salt and peppercorns in it, and it grinds it for you as you use it. If you're interested in this, we'll put a link to it in our description. So we're just going to let these finish cooking on this side, and then we'll make our sauce. Okay, so now we're going to remove our chicken from the pan and make our sauce. We're just going to put these over, set them aside on a plate. We don't need to clean our pan or anything. We're just going to continue right on. We're going to cover this with some aluminum foil to help keep it nice and warm. And we're going to add our chicken broth. And we want to scrape up any little bits that are on the bottom of our pan. That'll add a lot of flavor to our sauce. And served the way this is made by itself is a very low carb, keto friendly option. But You want to serve it over something to take advantage of the wonderful sauce that this makes. You can serve it over pasta or potatoes or rice, whatever you prefer. Alright, we've got our little brown bits up. Now we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients. Add in our white wine. Our minced garlic. Lemon juice. And we'll let that cook just for a couple of minutes, and then we'll put our other ingredients in. Okay, now we're going to add in our fresh tomatoes. If you're using cherry tomatoes, you just want to let this cook until the little tomatoes start popping. But these are just some Campari tomatoes that I quartered. So we're just going to let those cook in there for a few minutes. Next, we'll add in our heavy cream. Parmesan cheese. And we just want our cheese to melt. And once our cheese has melted, we'll just take our 4 cups of spinach and add those to the pan, and you just let that cook until your spinach has wilted down. I haven't tried it with broccoli, but if your family doesn't like spinach, you probably use broccoli in this, and it still be equally as delicious. Okay, once your spinach is wilted, you add back in your pieces of chicken. Turn the heat off at this point. You just want to let your chicken get hot again. And I'll take this second in that hot sauce. We're going to add back in all the juices that came out of our chicken while it was resting. And there you have it. A low carb, delicious, keto friendly, 1 skillet, tomato, spinach, and chicken dish. Thank you for visiting Cooking and Storing with Ann and Wayne. We hope that you've enjoyed this video and that you will try this recipe. If you have enjoyed it, please click subscribe and like. It helps us to continue to make more videos. So here's wishing you good food, safe storing, and happiness.